treasure. What is this? She's really marking the terror. Another one! Treasure hunt time.
What does it mean?
More squat. Come on, Chloe. Today we're doing pink day. Everyone shows the fits. the waving.
Fit check.
Yeah, good job, Jada. Yes, Caroline's got it. Oh, wait. What have you got, Ava? Jem's trying. We all told him he was off-white, but
I would say purple.
he's wearing his own face. I'm sorry. It's getting there. Michael's got a good pink fit. That's A+. Zach tried. Maybe. Yeah, the shorts. That's pretty impressive. Tariq kind of went for an off pink. It's a big deal. And Kale at least got in a t-shirt, so that's something.
Yonder.
No!
Chloe, wait!
Chloe, wait! Everyone wait! Everyone wait! Everyone I've been there for so long. I don't think we're ever going to finish it. I don't think anyone is making it to the secret gig.
What do you mean?
I've spent maybe 3 days under this tree. They still haven't figured it out. We're never going to make it to the secret concert. I had a nap. It's just been, I just don't see it happening at this point. Everybody's already making their way up the hill and we're just here, stuck at a broken piano. The Jada just will not stop playing. She just keeps playing it.
What about, okay, so.
I just feel like I'm never going to be able to vlog anything good if we spend all this time around locked boxes. So, trying to get to a secret gig. We've filled up our stamp books, but we don't actually know where it is. And by we filled up our stamp books, I really just mean that that everyone else filled up the stamp books and me and Jada just kind of napped. But we were there to get the stamps. We went over the hill. We found a little secret fairy who's stamped us. Show us your stamp, everybody.
Wait guys, I want a group pic of you all.
And we're out of the Yonder mounds. We're gonna go in a little secret path. Secret forest again. Anyone got that ticket they can show me?
Who would have thought the path to Charlie XCX would be so beautiful? She's so down to earth. I know. She's really in touch with nature.
I can't wait for the Beatles.
That's why we
Here's our
admire
secret.
Charlie XCX.
Stamps done. So we got like a really nice campsite and we have like 3 gazebos. No one else is around except for the people of the Tripper Pole. And like nice tents, and we've got shade and whatever. But we did choose the like furthest possible place to go. Legit corner of this whole entire place when the like hill is over there. And explains why no one else was with us when we came. And it's also probably, it's like the furthest impossible place we could have gone to because we're actually not allowed to be there. But the people said it was fine. But we have 2 pet dogs and
A rooster and a chicken.
and a rooster that likes to go off at like every single hour of the night. He does not know what time zone we're in.
Dawn doesn't stop at rooster. 1 AM.
And rooster noise is just the absolute worst.